Okay, welcome everybody to the official press conference of WTC and Honor Fight League. I'm here joined by Gideon Jonker, promoter of Honor Fight League, Camelo Di Stefano, owner of WTC, and we have three fighters. We have Chiara, we have Keanu, and we have Chris Elliott. They're also going to fight our next event, which is scheduled for April 18th at the World Trade Center in Curacao. And the reason we're here today is to announce, we have some exciting news to announce an agreement with the World Trade Center, a 3-year agreement for 9 events coming up, which is very big news for Curacao, for the sport, for the World Trade Center itself, and for us, of course, for every fighter on the island, for every fight in the region. So that shows we are very committed to elevating the sport in the region, in Curacao, because we have a lot of talent here, a lot of talent in the region, and we want to put Curacao further on the global map in the fighting scene. So so we're happy to share that news with you. And maybe Camelo, you want to say a few words how you feel about it?
Sure, I'll go there. Thank you very much for coming. I want to say that we have taken a special interest in promoting events that bring value to Curacao as a tourist destination, that bring value to entertainment. And in this agreement, we are going to help the development of 9 fights. We already had a first event that was very successful back in November of last year. And we will look forward to see all these young athletes fight under the roof of the World Trade Center at Curacao. And I'll be there. I'll be very excited to be there. And I hope everybody here in Curacao and everybody who's visiting our island will also be excited to join us and to see them rumble. Thank you very much.
Check. All right. Yeah, so together with Gideon, we run Honor Fight League. Gideon has been, you started this organization in 2018, I believe. This will be our 7th edition and the second one at the World Trade Center. And maybe Gideon can briefly talk about how the sport has grown over the years and how Honor Fight League has grown over the years, and what our plans are within the coming 3 years at the World Trade Center.
Yes, thank you. First of all, we're very excited. We're very happy with this agreement we recently signed with the WTC. It gives Curacao a great future with regards to 9 additional events. We can definitely say that these are the nicest events so far, based on mixed martial arts and Thai and kickboxing. And we see development as well. There are more companies now involved, willing to sponsor, etc. So we do see a growth in the sports and the interest as well. So we're very happy with this opportunity. Thank you very much. We're looking forward to our next event, which will be on April the 18th. And we already have great fights on the card. And I think once a week we'll announce a second one. So we're going to do it a little bit different this time. At least that's the whole idea. We're going to have 2 different programs, one in the afternoons where we're going to focus on youth and more, let's say, the amateurs and maybe the ones who are, let's say, going to enter the octagon for the first time. And then we have an evening program where more the entertainment part will be set, pro fights, etc. So we're going to see how that works. The location is perfect, so we're looking forward to it. We also have 3 fighters who already confirmed they have a fight for the upcoming event. And for me, to be honest, we announced it yesterday. That's the fight of Chiara Domakase. She is finally making her debut in MMA. She did fight already before on a fight league, but she did the kickboxing at the time. And her opponent is also a quite known family name in the industry. Her name is Genesis Cejudo, and her uncle is a former UFC fighter who was also trained by and Genesis is also trained by her uncle. Unfortunately, he's not coming to the island, but at least what's also one of the goals, what we try to achieve here with Honor Fight League is the attention for the island of Curacao. So now, once again, we have a quite big fan base already based up in the Netherlands, and now we focus as well on the US. And we have also tomorrow is not the main event, but we also have a nice fight, a heavyweight fight coming up also from the States against a very big name from the Netherlands, Thomas Bridgewater, who is the cousin actually of the Levi Richters, which once again is a very big name in the sport. So we bringing this all to Curacao in collaboration, obviously, with WTC and all the sponsors, Monster Energy since day one, Coca-Cola, Glacial, Curacao Electrotech, and hopefully we expect more sponsorships coming up, especially knowing the fact that we have 9 events coming up over the next 3 years and maybe even more. So stay tuned. And yeah, if there's anything you guys want to know, you can ask, And yeah, Alex.
Yeah, so maybe we can briefly talk to the 3 fighters that are here, because they're all going to compete at our event on April 18th. Maybe we just mentioned Chiara, if you can come up here for a second. So Chiara, like Gideon said, she's going to fight Genesis Cejudo, who's family of a UFC legend. And yeah, so what are your thoughts about the fight when you first accepted it? And yeah, just give me your thoughts.
Yes, are we gonna lower it? No. Yeah. To be honest, I didn't know who she was at first. I had a name, but for me, it's not about the name that makes the fight. I'm just very excited to fight, and it's a great start. I think I'm very much born for this, and I'm very excited because my last fight got canceled, so this is gonna be my debut, and I'm very excited to make a start for the woman in the industry, because I think it's very important. I think that there's a very male view on the sport, and I don't think that that's how it should be viewed. So yeah, that's how I feel about it. Sim, seguro não. Vou be excited para a fight. Para começar com ele, minota sa é muito mais o nome. Já não sei se junto. Minota sa que sua família está involved de nada de treinamento, nem nada de assim, né? Então minota penso que o nome está coisa mais importante. Penso que tá é mentality que botin, então é vision que botin tá igual o caminho que vai. Também me penso que essa que vai assim coisa muito grande para nós, muito bom de esporte. Me penso que tem vision hopi é vision de esporte hopi maneira para muito amor. Ando, me nota quero conhecer assim aqui, me quero coisa muito importante para nós como muito mais, sabe como defender nós mesmos. Ando, sabe como deal em certa situação, ando na boa confiança, Deus me que visa também para ter muito mais na impurba, eu sou muito bem vestido. Meeting just 2 áreas de deporte que me querer, coisa assim, não? Ando, de como aqui se, a mim estava muito hopi. Ja, hopi zielig antes, me tava da llorar para turcos, me tava hopi medo de turcos. Agora vou começar com o esporte, mas começar a abrir mesmo mais, mas começar a papel com mais gente. Então, ela quando não me houve confiança, então me quero que para muitos mulheres, tá hopi importante foral aqui não também, para por assim. So, yeah. Mais pergunta? Anyone? No? Okay.
All right, thank you, Chiara. Keanu Eroskin, he's a professional MMA fighter from Curacao. He's going to have a 3rd fight at our event. He's facing Luis Fernando from Suriname, so it's a nice regional matchup. So Keanu, maybe give us your thoughts also on this upcoming fight, maybe for 2026. What are your plans for the next year representing Curacao here and abroad?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming. My plans are redemption. I lost my last fight, as some of you may know. The guy was good, but I've been working hard on some tricks. And last fight, I promised a lot of violence and blood, and I did not deliver on that. So I'm going to double down on that promise this time. I expect I expect a war, and after this fight and win again, and keep growing the sport. Na papiamento, quero ver se danke na was antur ko bing visitando sa the press conference. Manema bisa milaso pelea ma perdele, tato close, eu tenho oportunidade não, pero mi não para seal the deal. Dus agora que me dá bem para revenge. And then nada namin guy de Suriname of the Brazil. Sorry pero I would say good bem revenge back. Quero visar o Santur dia 18 de abril. No ami só também para guerra, pero tudo me time santama também para guerra. Você põe show mais chamado mês. Nós outros vezes trinca o duro. Sport que da crescendo, danke na vossa mídia fanático na tour também que ajuda a crescer deporte. Então sim, danke. Any more questions? Ma pergunta?
Che esperienza você potevo pelear anterior?
Mi last pelea foi em general tudo. Se last pelea era coisa de controlar minha emoção. Por exemplo, pelea para mim que sei como gana, para mim da OP de amp top, OP para mim que pelea. Bien, que me da filme né, mas gana pelea e é para mim que está aqui, para mim da filme não para controlar minha emoção, mas mas bem, ok, bom, a seguinte pelea aqui, me dei curva de calma, minha mente vai mais russo mesmo, para mim que pelea, vai para outro coisa, vai para controlar minha body, controlar minha emoção, não? Pero me dá muito russo para mim que pelea, até que ia durar me para mim cair no ritmo de pelea. Dus, não coisa como assim, para mim tá ciando ainda, com me tenho que preparar mesmo mentalmente para mim que pelea, para mim pôr mesmo a missa switch, switch, flecker ko, o que te guerra não se vai, não tá com o deporte vitase, para mim, lá te guerra me te vai. Então, switch aí, é muito para o bairro, switch para on and off. Isso aí não me precisa.
Encorajar jovem na puta que participar ou ficar
So, bringamento, MMA, kickboxing, é um deporte que exige disciplina. A mim mesmo comecei a levar, me quero assim, a minha bringa, me quero sim, a como defender minha mesma em situação, o minuto em abrir uma situação, eu vou cair na Deus, então minuto encorajando para pôr na mesma situação, pero vou vir treinar com nós, por exemplo, é um deporte que teach what disciplina, vamos ser de OP, vamos me treino 3 bia, 3 skip 2 bia, treino 3 bia, skip 2 bia, você vai sentir dentro do gym, então você reparar consequências mais fácil mesmo, mais lindo. Então deporte que você poner honesto com mesmo, poner o adendo espelho, mané, se me bisa como me bringador, me bisa como me treino duro, pero se você show ande, coi, você vai comer no espelho, coi, nota é verdade. É um deporte que hoje dá o perigo com mesmo, ando com exigir disciplina. Se você uma pessoa que em começo de coisa muito para o mês, me dá invitar você também. Sim. Danke você.
Thanks, Elliot. Chris is probably one of the most skilled kickboxers on the island right now. He's a semi-professional kickboxer. Tomorrow he's flying to the Netherlands for a big event there, and then April he'll be back for our event. And yeah, Chris, you're very experienced. I mean, tell me about your honor fighting experience and what you're hoping to achieve this year.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Yeah, Bontari. Sorry. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome. My name is Chris. So as he said, quite experienced. Been in this sport for quite a few years now, maybe 13 or something like that. But first of all, the Honor Fight League, I'm happy for that. First, I'm very happy with the partnership and stuff because on the island, normally we don't have much events. Normally, we're always fighting abroad and stuff. But with this partnership, this makes it very good for us. So then, of course, you can focus more on promoting the sports on the island. And of course, yeah, it's better for all the other guys that train as well because mostly there's no event on the island. We don't get the chance to prove ourselves. And of course, there's a lot of talent. There's a lot of talent on the island, and we don't get the chance to show it. So I'm very happy with the partnership with WTC and Honor Fight League. So that gives us a chance to show our skills and everything. And now, of course, the Honor Fight League is one of the, as you guys, I don't know if you guys been to the past events, but if you've been there, you see it's the best event on the island until now. Nothing beats it. It's very good. Everything is well organized, and that's perfect. So hopefully it just keeps on getting better. big names every time, and of course, hopefully we keep on getting better, of course. And yes, okay, what did I say? Si Bonochi, Bondari, unindo dos. Si meu nome é Chris, base experienciado em esporte, 13 anos. Então, logo me dá visita, me estou contente com nós um partnership com o ETC e com Unified League, de como que dando nos chance para demonstrar lo que é bringador na Ribe Isla ting, então tudo bem nós bringa fo, o bem não tinha evento Ribe Isla, então sem querer ver também Ribe Isla é deporte na Checo não se mane futebol ou baseball, então sem sowieso nós opi basta gym, dengan kutasia, pero sowieso nós vou demonstrar isso, opi contente com nós em partnership, nós vou música de esporte que também nós opi talento, opi ando kita bonding chedes, same, opi contente com ele, and I really forgot what I said. Yeah, that's basically it. Yes. May opponent pakolmo kami na bring out work in Ulana sungko organize di GMA what's the name? Irish, what's the name of the guy? Tukara, something like that. This yes, Tukara. That's his name. This yeah, tem na busca competitiva so me focus no de work, me focus é pela qualta outra semana na Harris, seita dia 14 de fevereiro, nós vai brincar. Então, ainda me focus TBC, ora me ganhei, ora me back, e ora nós vai focus para é tocar aí. Então, hope chance, yeah, não vai dar muito info, pero so Unified League is coming up with big ideas. So hopefully, você vai ter a nice surprise. Yeah. Anything else? Mais pergunta?
Quanto pele botar acidente no ano?
Yeah, depende. Se há chance, yeah, depende da curva da síndica se ainda também, pessoal vivia. Depois pele eu sei, é blessura, timbia tá dura opi para boa cura, pero bambisa normalmente é 5 max, 5 a 4 de ano. Então bambisa na Corsol. Se vai brincar, for pessoal aqui sem vista, eu contente com nós sabe que aqui pessoal que nos pode para brincar mais. Normalmente muito outra não foi na brinca 10 via of 9 8 depende, pero nós aqui como que já nós usar para tu com nos mês busca evento for nós usar para tu com nos mês se vai bambisa 4 via para ano so etc. Just open dan que mais na WTC com Unified League para poder nos chance nós vamos seguir demonstrando skills. Então isso coisa que tá contra nós é quando é brincando na visa fora time. Então isso nossa data chegando alto então depois nós conseguir fazer aqui. This ou se nós vamos brincar disso ou via para que nós curva shutdown. So yeah. Any more questions? No? Thank you.
All right, thank you, Chris. So, yeah, so now we're going to do the official signing of the agreement between the World Trade Center and Honor Fight League for the 3-year, 9 events commitment.